Let's look at covalent bonds in more detail. When atoms of different elements share electrons in a covalent bond, sometimes unequal sharing occurs. When bonding electrons are shared unequally, the bond is known as polar. The term polar means a separation of charge. This happens because the nucleus of one atom exerts a greater attractive force on the bonding electrons. The graphic on this slide shows a model of the unequal sharing of electrons in the bond between hydrogen and chlorine. There is a single bond between the two nuclei, but the nucleus of chlorine is able to exert a much greater attractive force on the bonding electrons than hydrogen is. We represent this unequal sharing in different ways. One indication is the use of the lower Greek letter delta, which represents partial, and the charge. Since electrons are negatively charged, we place a negative charge on the atom whose nucleus has a greater pull on the bonding electrons. In this case, the chlorine has the partial negative charge and the hydrogen has the partial positive charge. This means that hydrogen cannot compete with chlorine's nuclear attractive force. We can also illustrate this unequal sharing through electron mapping imagery. The red color and larger volume around the chlorine atom represents a higher electron density than around the hydrogen nucleus. The hydrogen end of the molecule is colored blue and has a smaller volume. This represents a lower electron density.